Alright, well, we're having fun tonight. So, I gotta take a grinder, get these rivets off so I can get this on, or get this out so I can replace it. New one's right there. Door handle's broken, gotta replace that. And headlights. 2002 GMC Safari don't fit exactly. So there's two little wing brackets on either side of this that will not allow you to fit this little piece inside. So you got to break off the wing and then it'll start to work. You only need 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 tools. That's about it. And then these things, try finding them, looking up. They're not a headlight, they're not a body part, they're not a turn signal part. They don't. So I gotta go down to the store and say, hey, look that number up, I want it. Ordering online? No, can't be done. So I gotta take this off and break off the little wing tips and put it all back together again. But it's looking better. It is looking better. You only gotta break 5 things to get to the one thing you wanted to fix, but it's getting better. Alright, that's all I'm doing today. Maybe tomorrow.